Pereira secured a powerful fourth-round knockout, solidifying his spot as a top contender in the light heavyweight division. What really got people talking was Jamahal Hill's viral reaction, where he was caught yawning during Pereira's victory celebration. The internet had a field day with it, and Pereira even joked, maybe he just woke up from the knockout he took at UFC 300. Ouch. In the co-main event, Juliana Peña reclaimed the bantamweight title after a tough match against Raquel Pennington. After the fights, social media exploded. Pereira's knockout was the night's standout moment, with fans posting reactions like, "What a win for Pereira!" And of course, Hill's yawn became an instant meme. So, there you have it. The biggest moments from number UFC 307. What did you think of the fights?